Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a timing belt on a Ford Ranger. First, ensure you have all the required tools, including a torque wrench and a new timing belt kit. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery terminal. Next, drain the engine coolant and carefully remove any components that block access to the timing belt cover, such as the fan shroud or accessory belts. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Once you have clear access, rotate the crankshaft to align the engine's timing marks. This critical step prevents engine damage. Now, loosen the timing belt tensioner and carefully remove the old belt from the pulleys. Take this opportunity to thoroughly inspect all pulleys, idlers, and crankshaft seals for any signs of wear or leaks. Replace any worn components to ensure longevity and proper function. With the old belt removed and components inspected, it's time to install the new timing belt. Carefully route the new belt around the pulleys, ensuring the timing marks remain perfectly aligned. Apply the correct tension to the new belt according to your vehicle's specifications. Double-check all alignments one final time. Then, begin reinstalling all the components you removed earlier, working in the reverse order of disassembly. After everything is reassembled, refill the cooling system with the appropriate coolant and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine and let it run, carefully checking for any unusual noises, vibrations, or coolant leaks. Ensure the engine idles smoothly and the timing is correct. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This final check confirms a successful timing belt replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.